Welcome to Atelier Esthetique Institute of Aesthetics, in the heart of Manhattan's Chelsea district. Our state-accredited 600-hour program blends theory and hands-on training to prepare you for your New York State license and a thriving career in skincare. Our newly remodeled campus offers small classes, flexible schedules, and hybrid learning options, full-time, part-time, evenings, and weekends. We are globally recognized for advanced training in laser hair removal, dermaplaning, microdermabrasion, aromatherapy, and more. Plus, specialty workshops taught under industry leaders. In as little as 16 weeks, you'll master facials, waxing, makeup, and other skincare techniques. We also offer New York City's only 900-hour Master Aesthetics course for careers in med spas or alongside medical professionals. Financial aid is available for those who qualify, and our student services team connects graduates with top spas and medical offices. You'll gain real-world experience in our in-house clinic, working with clients in spa-like settings under licensed supervision. Book your visit today at Atelier Esthetique, where skincare career begins.